Today we're going to look at a BIM Takeoff. Before we look at anything related to the menu or command button, the first thing we should check out is always the design information itself. Today's example will be the ceiling. So if you click through the ceiling plan, most of the upper floor of this 4-story building will be T-bar. With the exception on the main floor, you do have some of the exposed steel structure with joist and a deck. But if you go to a section, and you can also see there's some gypsum wallboard ceiling, the drywall ceiling. Now we are going to look at the command bar, and we're going to go to View, Schedule, and then we go for Schedule/Quantities. There's no need to do a material takeoff, so we can just use Schedule/Quantities. And go down and find the predefined ceiling option. And over here, again, we're going to pick a few important fields: assembly code, assembly description, and then there's the level, which indicate which ceiling we're looking at. Family and type. Usually this one is going to tell us more about the ceiling composition. So the next one we need to know is the area. If you want to, you can also add the perimeter, but usually the area is more important than the perimeter. Finally, the last thing we want to add is the height, and we do have a height offset from level. So those are the 7 fields we picked. Now, in order to see the actual number, a few things we need to do is to go to Sorting and Grouping tab on top, and we're going to sort this thing by family and type, because we didn't pick anything related to material, so family and type will be the best bet. And don't forget to check footer. And after that, also check grand total. Family and type, check footer, check grand total. And then the next thing you do is switch to Formatting tab and click on Area. And now go down and pick the option that says Calculate Total. I think that's all we need. If you want to play with metric or imperial, you can always click on Field Format, and instead of using project setting, you can always pick the option you like. Yeah, if you want metric, you can always pick square meter. But for now, I will just click cancel. Now we think we have what we need, and click on OK. Yes, everything has been done. We do have the 2x2 ceiling, and the 2x4 ceiling, as well as the drywall ceiling. So this concludes the simple takeoff for ceiling as example, but we actually showed you how to use the predefined tools to do the takeoff. We didn't even use the material takeoff tool, which we're going to look at next time.